Well, the best part of this is like you could dine, you know, have a dinner here next to the river, and a huge park, a short
And
walk
we got a lot
over.
of parks.
Yeah,
We got a lot. Is that
Yeah.
right, guys?
what's up, my people? Good to see you, everyone. We are here in the city of Piracicaba, São Paulo, Brazil. One more time, Enrique Adventures. But today we are in the concrete jungle of this city, and I want to show you guys something really simple. But what I want to bring you this to all of you is because they have a lot of green, they have a beautiful river, and I've been here already, and I'm gonna leave the link here, right? If you haven't seen yet some places here of bridges, you know, in Piracicaba. We are here in the Rua of Porto. Who's that guy? Who's that guy? Rua do Porto, or like Porto Street, right? Or Porto Street. That's its translation in English. All right, folks. So let's see what I can do for all of you. Take a shot of the park, the river, the bridge, and so the other details for all of you, you know, to invite you all and visit this place. All right, let's see.
Olha o trem.
Olha o trem. Brava, não acredito. Que lindo.
Caraca.
Bonito, lindo.
Opa, boa tarde. Aqui, ó, enseada aqui, viu, pessoal?
Boa tarde, melhor amigo.
We got restaurants, you know, Aqui restaurant. That's a type of ice cream. And well, the best part of this is like you could dine, you know, have a dinner here next to the river, and what else you can ask? You know, you got a huge park, a short
And
walk
we got a lot
over.
of parks.
Yeah,
We got a lot. Is that
yeah.
right?
and they have the bridge, Mirante, and they have so much attraction here to see in that way, you know. I hope you enjoy. If you live here in Sao Paulo, Brazil, in the interior of the city, please come here and enjoy this place because it's beautiful. It's right here into the city, you know. Remember, the name is Rua do Porto. Rua do Porto. All right, folks, I'll leave you all the detail in my description below. And remember to take care of the natural environment. So, nothing else to say. We love you, folks. Don't forget to subscribe because it's for free.
See you next time.
Vai dar, Bubu.